Hi, I'm Misty with Luna Moon Stand Up Paddleboard Yoga. But behind the brand is also lip balm making, which I've been doing and experimenting since 2017. And I have a new product release that I've been working on are lotion bars. So part of the brand is also eliminating plastic. So some of the lip balms you see are in craft paper tubes, trying to be more eco. And then I still have a little bit of the plastic I use and metal tins. But today I'm just showing off the lemon lotion bars, and I got this unique mold that's in shape of waves, but it's also just a nice texture. It's like therapeutic. It's giving yourself your own little massage, especially during the dry months for your cuticles. And it's just it just rubs on really nicely, and they come in their own little bag, so you'd be able to put them back in a bag and keep them sanitary.
Let me take you through the process. So here we've got the hot plate, bigger pot than what I usually typically use for lip balms. And this is for the lotion bar. And all the equipment is tools, cleaned, sanitized, gloves, mask, all the things to keep everything nice and tidy clean. I start on a low heat setting here, and here this is the waxes and the butters that are a little bit thicker. So I start with those first, and like I said, low heat, just breaking it down before I start adding in all the oil. So just making sure it's distributed across the pot on the bottom, and then checking the temperature. And you kind of have to be careful a little bit with the flash points, especially adding in essential oils and the other like vitamin E oil. You don't want it to be too hot. So like I said, starting with the harder waxes first, get that put in there, measure it out. It's taken me a little bit of time to figure out the proportion and the right amount of ratio for each ingredient on these lotion bars. So these are going to be lemon. I'm going to add in essential oil lemon at the end. Making sure all the ingredients adhere together, and make sure they all break down and melt together. So here we're putting in shea butter. This is a little bit of the softer ingredients, so you can turn the heat down even a little bit more. It gets hot pretty fast, especially in the stainless steel pot. I'll put a link down for somewhere to get some of these ingredients and tools. This is the MCT. X is a little bit of a preservative. I'm speeding up the video here a little bit because we're adding in the oils. Things are going to go real fast now, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is a little look behind Luna Moon lip balming. These are lotion bars. Again, the MCT oil, then we add in the vitamin E. Those are the last things to go in, the essential oils, and then we get ready for the pour. So here's the silicone mold, and yes, it's 4 at a time, but these are small batch made anyways, so we would just repeat the process all over again and make out some more. So you're just going to take it nice and slow, pouring in to each mold. You want to make sure you at least cover a nice base from corner to corner of the mold, and you go around the table pouring it in as it's starting to cool and solidify. And actually, these take a lot longer to cool. So to speed up that process even, put them in the refrigerator, let them sit in there, get nice and solid before I actually package them up. That's it. I hope you enjoyed behind the scenes, little glimpse of Luna Moon, lotion bar making, and if you are enjoying the channel with the paddleboarding, yoga, and podcast of Wave On, please subscribe, hit like, comment, ask a question. Thanks for watching.